Good morning, entrepreneurs and builders. Welcome to the Breaking Business Podcast, where we don't just talk marketing and entrepreneurship, we dissect it, we challenge it, we extract those golden nuggets that you can actually use every single day. Business is in your blood, and I'm here to make it boil. I'm your host, Dr. Wood. Now let's break it down and build something great. Let me ask you something. Do you really think your customers are loyal, or are they just sticking around because it's convenient for them? In a world where attention spans are shorter than ever and your competitors are one click away, customer loyalty isn't what it used to be. It means crap. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the surprising truth about loyalty in 2025, what's changed, why it still works, and how smart businesses are adapting. If you're relying on outdated tactics to keep your customers, you're probably behind. No, you really are behind. And let's fix that. So, a common myth. Let's tell it with a story. Once upon a time, loyalty looked like the following. You'd go to the same barber, the same grocery store, the same mechanic for decades. Why? Because you, your family, your neighbors, they all had trust, familiarity, and limited options. But guess what? Fast forwarding to today, that matters not. It's gone. Modern consumers have unlimited options, instant price comparisons, and one bad experience or one bad review away from never coming back to your store. Loyalty used to mean repeat purchases. Today, loyalty means that they don't unsubscribe or unfollow you. That's the real shift, and it's kind of shit. Loyalty now is fragile, emotional, and deeply tied to experience, not just your products, because of all these substitutes. And here's the hard truth with it. You don't own loyalty anymore. You rent it for a time. And the rent is due every single interaction. One slow response, they bounce. One shady policy, screenshot, viral tweet, canceled. One better deal? Loyalty lost. Customer loyalty today is value exchange economy. If the value stops flowing, they stop showing up. So ask yourself as a business owner, what are you doing to re-earn your customers every day, every week, every interaction? Because just showing up isn't enough anymore. Let's talk about what actually could build loyalty for you right now. It's not just the rewards cards. It's not buy 10, get one free. It's 5 things that are crucial to the interaction between you and your ideal audience. The first one is emotional resonance. People buy from brands that make them feel seen. If they see themselves in your story, your values, they'll stick around. Second one, consistency. Can you deliver what you promised every single time? Inconsistency will kill trust. Loyalty lives on trust. Inconsistency in my videos are definitely killing my trust, but I'm plugging away. Third, sorry, a little slow on that one. If it takes 7 clicks to check out, they're probably already gone. Loyalty thrives where friction dies. You want them to be 2-click, 3-click, 4 clicks max. 4, community. If the brand builds connection through groups, forums, DMs, a shared identity of self, customers stay because they feel they're part of something. And then 5, the responsiveness. Modern customers expect replies in minutes, not days. Just like a bad date. If you ghost them, they ghost you. This is the new loyalty stack. If you're not hitting most of these, someone else will. Too many business owners still think loyalty is about discounts. They say, if I just lower my price, they'll say. But loyalty isn't about being the cheapest. We see this in several countries that have rock bottom prices, but nobody's buying any of their products. It's about being the most aligned with the consumer. Customers don't want more stuff. They want certainty and quality. They want to know that you care, that you listen, that you improve. If your business only speaks in sales and features, you become forgettable. But when you speak with identity, value, outcome, you become indispensable to that audience. That's how Apple, Nike, and even some indie creators and a Steam game created a fan base. It's not just customer lists, it's real interactions with real people. So let's get tactical with it. Do you want loyalty in 2025? You should try these. First, maybe a micro surprise, such as sending an unexpected thank you, maybe dropping a free bonus, or replying with a personal voice memo. Doing behind the scenes is also another way. You pull back that curtain, you show people who you are on the journey that you've been doing. Value stacking is another one. Over delivery, make them feel like they're staying equals winning. Or having a two-way communication system. We're talking polls, voice replies, Ask your audience their input, use it, credit them. Survey systems are also pretty good for this. Loyalty isn't built in the transaction, it's built in the relationship between you and your audience. Now, to conclude this entire video, loyalty has changed forever. It's no longer about who's been around the longest, it's about who shows up with the most relevance, care, clarity every day. If your customers don't feel like they matter, they'll find a brand that makes them feel like you don't make them feel. Now, if this video made you rethink how you handle loyalty in your own business, please hit the like button. Drop down a comment. What's the last brand that you stayed loyal to and why? Loyal to and why? And don't forget to subscribe because I break stuff like this down daily. Don't chase your loyalty. Deserve it. Earn it. Continue on. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.